Communication is key with me, and they communicated throughout that whole process what's going on. We were calling Ayers because we had water in the basement. We needed to figure out a solution to make it dry. It was really refreshing for me to work with a group of guys that can communicate throughout the whole process, what they were doing and how they were doing it, and asking questions of me as to how we wanted things. It was just refreshing to be able to just smoothly cruise through the project. It rained really hard the weekend after we completed, and basement's dry. It made me feel a lot more comfortable in choosing Ayers to do the project because I knew things were getting done right. I knew what was being done, and throughout the whole process, if I had any questions, they were quick to answer them.